A great brother sewing machine meets users' needs and provides years of dependable service. Throughout its 115-year history, Brother Industries has developed into a global leader in sewing machine design, innovation, and manufacturing. Currently, the company offers one of the most advanced lineups of innovative machinery for home sewing pursuits. Its models include reliable sewing machines for basic projects and state-of-the-art, computerized models designed for advanced embroidery, quilting, and crafting. Here are our picks of the best Brother sewing machines in the company's impressive lineup. Number 1. Brother XM 2701 Sewing Machine. The Brother XM 2701 sewing machine is easy to operate, making it a viable choice for beginners. On the other hand, it boasts a wide array of stitch options and automated features that appeal to experienced sewing enthusiasts. Stitch options include multiple decorative and quilting stitches along with basic, straight stitches for seams and basting. With 27 built-in stitches and 63 stitch functions, users can create crafts, fashions, home decor items, and quilts. Although not a computerized machine, the XM 2701 offers several automated features to make sewing projects go more smoothly and quickly. For example, the automatic needle threader eliminates the frustration and eye strain of threading the needle by hand. An automatic, one-step buttonhole function saves time and ensures consistent, professional-looking results. Additionally, the task of winding the bobbin is an automatic process. Number 2. Brother SE 1900 Sewing and Embroidery Machine. Take your sewing and crafting projects to the artist level with the Brother SE 1900 computerized sewing and embroidery machine. Select from among 138 built-in embroidery designs and see them displayed on the large size, full-color, LCD touchscreen. Alternatively, users can import new designs and save them to the machine. Additionally, the machine can combine designs and store them in its memory. Measuring 5 inches by 7 inches, the embroidery field provides ample versatility for creative sewists. A hoop is included to facilitate larger embroidery designs, so users are limited only by their imaginations. The 240 built-in stitches inspire customizing many crafting, quilting, and garment-making activities. Among the stitch options, the SE 1900 offers 11 built-in fonts for monogramming and personalizing the original projects. Additionally, 10 styles of buttonhole stitches facilitate automatic sewing of precisely sized buttonholes. Number 3. Brother XR 3774 Sewing and Quilting Machine. Here's a mechanical sewing machine with automated features and a large workspace for bulky projects. The large throat area and the extra-wide work table make the Brother XR 3774 Sewing and Quilting Machine a viable choice for quilters. For projects other than quilts, sewists may utilize the free arm. This feature facilitates sewing sleeves, cuffs, trousers, and skinny jeans. In addition to providing ample space for quilting, this machine offers ease of use through several automated functions. The one-step buttonhole stitch automatically turns out perfectly sized buttonholes. An automatic needle threading system eliminates the frustrating task of threading the needle by hand. Simply press a lever on the side of the machine and the thread inserts precisely through the eye of the needle. Additionally, the top drop-in bobbin winds automatically, and it's jam-resistant to ensure a smooth, continuous feed of thread. Number 4. Brother XR 9550 Sewing and Quilting Machine. For the avid sewist who is ready to take their craft to a more sophisticated level, the Brother XR 9550 computerized sewing machine provides numerous features to spark the imagination and facilitate creative success. The machine offers 165 built-in stitches. These include utilitarian and decorative stitches along with heirloom stitches. Choose from among 8 different buttonhole styles, and the machine will automatically sew a tailored buttonhole around any button. Numerous features of this machine provide ease of operation, taking the stress and frustration out of sewing. The built-in stitches are clearly marked on the front of the machine. Simply push a button for the computerized stitch selection function, and a backlit LCD display shows the appropriate choice. Additionally, this machine includes an automatic needle threader and a jam-resistant, top drop-in bobbin. Number 5. Brother CP60X Computerized Sewing Machine. Use the Brother CP60X computerized sewing machine to embark on a lifelong hobby of sewing, crafting, and quilting. It offers straightforward, easy-to-use operating procedures, suitable for beginning sewers. An array of 60 built-in stitch options is prominently displayed on the front of the machine. Choose by simply pressing a button, and the information shows up on the clearly visible LCD screen. In addition to decorative and heirloom stitches, the machine offers a selection of 7 auto-size, buttonhole stitches. With a fixed needle bar, this machine is particularly well suited for beginning sewers. The needle remains fixed in place to ensure clean stitching and even seam lines. Additionally, the 2-step, automatic needle threader accurately pushes the thread through the eye of the needle. It saves time and frustration so that beginners can enjoy their sewing activities.